MX-1 egg washer, 3,000 to 6,500 eggs per hour. The most compact egg washer on the market. Eggs are washed in a 3D fashion, thanks to the use of specially designed rotating brushes which clean all of the egg surface. 3,000 to 6,500 eggs per hour. Side channel fan dries eggs effectively. Easy to operate control panel. Easy to use and clean. The machine has a modular design and is easy to assemble. The machine is characterized by low water consumption. High-quality workmanship achieved by the use of long service life materials. Egg washing quality test. For very dirty eggs, heat water, 55 degrees Celsius 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and use detergent. MX-1 egg washer, 3,000 to 6,500 eggs per hour.